What it do, y'all? So today we are taking a trip to the Olympic National Park. Actually, we are already here at the Olympic National Park. What is this called again? The Hurricane Ridge is where we are right now. And it's called the Hurricane because...
So this is Hurricane Ridge. And it's called that because there's winds that are as fast as hurricanes, mile per hour wise. So you can see it's just a little breeze right now. It's as fast as hurricane winds.
No, I'm going to insert your video saying that.
Oh.
Right there.
No!
So here goes some pictures of us at the top. Now we're gonna head down to the waterfall trail. I'm not sure where that is, but that's where we're heading. And also I shot the pictures with the Pentax ME Super, and I don't know, just a zoom lens, a 28 to 70 zoom lens. And then I also use this camera that I'm recording on, the Sony a6400, and the kit lens. But yeah, we're gonna head there to the waterfall, and we'll talk to you guys when we get there.
Thinks that's a fish or something jumping.
She's trying to skip rocks. You had any luck?
Yeah, I got like 3.
She said she got 3. I don't know. There's another group of people that's enjoying our little pups. Yeah, right now we're just walking to the beach. It's a bit chilly out here, ain't that right?
Yeah.
She put her sweats on, as you guys can see. Zoe, come on. Come on, let's, oh. Huh? Yeah. Might have to carry Bella. I know Bella, hold on. Oh, let's go, big girl.
Perfect ending.
Did you guys hear that? She said perfect ending to our trip where I couldn't record much because of the dogs, but perfect ending. It is pretty beautiful though. You what?
This is gorgeous. I love the boulders or whatever they are.
Bentley. Huh?
It said it came up here, my feet got wet. Should we walk them?
So, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me with the waves being pretty loud, but this view is pretty beautiful of these waves splashing. I'm gonna walk down to the edge so you guys can see. Here we go. I got Zoe with me. So what's up, Zoe? So yeah. Look at this. All right, you guys, I'm gonna close it out here. Today was a long day. I didn't record a lot, but hope you guys enjoyed the pictures that I did add to it. We went to a few different spots and it was all beautiful. We saw all of the Olympic National Forest. We have the pups with us, so they slowed us down, but that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.